Hey cooks, thanks for stopping into Gigi's Recipes. I'm Amanda Blaylock, and Gigi was my great-grandma. She was also a dietitian who wrote her own cookbooks. So in these videos, we dive into her cookbooks and explore a new recipe each week. Today we're going to be making spicy twists. This is a recipe from my great-grandma's cookbook, Cholesterol Control Cookery. So if you have high cholesterol and you're trying to adjust your diet, this might be a great one to try. Let's get started. You'll start with some sifted flour. Then you'll add mustard, baking powder, salt, and cayenne. Over to the side, we'll combine water, unsaturated oil, and Tabasco sauce. There are a number of different kinds of unsaturated oil. If you had to look it up like me, that's okay. For this recipe, I used olive oil. Add your oil mixture to your dry ingredients 1 tablespoon at a time. Next, you'll combine flour with some paprika. Set out a sheet of wax paper and sprinkle your paprika mixture on top. Grab your dough and you're ready to roll it out. Aim for about a 10 by 15 inch rectangle. Flip your dough over and sprinkle both sides with your paprika mixture. Now, you'll cut your dough in half lengthwise. Then you'll cut little strips out of each half. Take your strips and twist each one about 2 to 3 times. Set each strip on a baking sheet. Bake for about 10 minutes at 450 degrees. They should come out of the oven slightly golden, and they're ready for a salad or soup. I hope you liked the spicy twists. If you did, the full recipe is in the description below. Please like and subscribe for more Gigi's Recipes.